Now we're going to chapter 18, managing object definitions. Okay. After completing this module, you'll be able to explain the role of projects, manage object definitions using checkout check-in. वो मैं वैसे पता है, but we'll still do. मुझे checkout check-in का मतलब नहीं पता, ये आप लिख लो. Checkout check-in lock projects. Checking
Log, I
projects in
think
and out is a critical part of your configuration effort. Allows multiple developers to work together on a configuration effort. Yeah. You are checking, if you check out something, then he cannot check it in. Then he cannot check it out. If you check out something, have you used this documentation in your previous project? You have. If you check out a document, nobody can update it. Only you can update it. That's why you are the only one who will update it. If you update something and he updates something, and then you guys both check in your changes, upload your changes, whose changes will take effect eventually. That's why this methodology is used in Cbol also. Everywhere it is used. This concept is gonna be there in SAP also. ये नहीं हो सकता कि SAP विदाउट चेकिंग चेकआउट, कुछ नाम डिफरेंट होगा, थोड़ा डिफरेंस होगा, लेकिन फंडा सेम होगा. ओके. Projects are named sets of object definitions in a repository. Only one version of a project exists in a repository at a time. Yeah. If there is an object applet, let's say account entry applet, then only one account entry applet will exist in the repository. Okay. Okay. इसका बड़ा simple सा meaning है. If I want to make some changes to that, I have to first check it in. Check it out, मतलब check out कर लेना अपने नाम पे. Then I can check it in. Unless I check it in and change and put all the changes of mine in there, nobody else can check it out again. So let's say you are a developer working on something, then developer B starts working on the same thing. It is not possible. He has to call you, say, hey Mr. C, can you please check it in? Then only he can check out and start working on it.
Yep.
Okay. Are a mechanism to organize object definitions so that a single developer can exclusively work on them as a group. ठीक है.
We also log projects, right?
So नहीं, एक बड़ी important चीज है. Project does not mean just one applet. Project does not mean just one contact. Project means one applet and related many things. Because when you're working on, let's say, account, you might be working on account BC as well, account table as well, right? You'll be working on many things related to that.
Many things all are locked for you.
Project will unlocking the project will,
The entire from BC to the.
I don't know. What are it locks? When you lock BC, you can find out by basically going to those, and when you're doing configuration, it will hit you every day, right?
Yeah.
If you don't lock it, then you won't be able to do the configuration of that.
Yeah, because
you should understand that. So when he basically locks something, then he's locking multiple things, not just one object. He's locking multiple objects, not just one applet of account entry. He will be automatically many things will get locked. Okay. Projects. Yeah, existing projects are there. New projects can be created by selecting the project object type and creating a new record in the object list editor. Yes, it can be created. Yeah, I know that. So I don't know why and how a tech lead will create and what will be the purpose, that I do not know. But creating a new project is a piece of cake. Just go and create a new project. That's it. Okay, like you go here and you go to projects and you new record. Simple, as simple as that. And I don't know anything more than that. Yeah, because I don't know the purpose of creating a new one. Then how will you know which all object to be made a part of it? I don't know all that. That's why I'm not talking about it. Assigning object definitions to project. So every object definition must belong to one and only one project. Okay, that's good. There is a one-to-many relationship. One project can have many objects, but one object can belong to only one project. So basically, let's say you lock a project, I can accidentally never work on that object definition because that object definition is part of your project. Now it is not part of any other project. See, right? So there is no way for me to lock it. Okay? So a Cbol supplied project, a user created project. Top level object definition has a project property. Child object definitions belong to the parent project. ठीक है ना? So top levels have project property. Okay, I didn't know this. Now I'm glad that I know first time. For the first time I came to know that this report, like there is a project property there, but if you go to the children object, there will not be any. So there is I think it's the same. Then it will, yeah, it's the same project or something. I don't know. Okay. So basically, it is at the लिखो project at the लिखो ये बात सच है कि नहीं है? Is it at the parent object level only? Top level objects, top level object projects. Viewing object definitions by project.
Is the top level object projects are it?
They will choose a project. For example, I've chosen activity, or they can choose. अच्छा कई बार क्या होता है? Let's say they've chosen account, then they want to work on activity. They don't see those things, so they think what is going on. So basically, this is like a drop down. You can choose a certain project, and then the definitions here will be only belonging to that project. Okay? So it is useful to navigate. That's it. Repositories. Master copy of repository resides on server database, stores tested object definitions for complete developer team. Each developer has copy of the repository on local developer client workstation. Developers perform all editing on their local repository.
Local database.
Yeah. And local repository also.
Local repository also.
Local SRF. Okay.
SRF.
Yeah.
Right.
They'll make a copy of an SRF. There's an SRF on their local machine, then there is a local database. When they are doing work, developing, they will do it on those two things. When they're done, they will check it in from the local repository to the server repository. And database से जो सारी definition है server database पे चली जाएगी. Got it? Copying projects. Object definitions, one or more projects can be copied from the server to the local developer repository, from the local developer repository to the server. Overrides a version in the destination repository. Read this. Basically, to get all the projects from the server, you use get in the beginning.
Yes.
So in the beginning of the project, you will do one full get. They call it full get. Okay. There is a word full get in the project. Full get कर लेते हैं. फुल गेट कर दें, फुल गेट कर लो ना, ऐसे बात करते हैं, फुल गेट कर लो भाई, इजी रहेगा, फुल गेट कर लो, सारी आ जाएंगे. उसके बाद इसमें 3-4 घंटे लग जाते हैं फुल गेट करने में. सारे प्रोजेक्ट सारी डेफिनेशंस आनी है, कहीं और 2-3 घंटे लग जाते हैं.
नहीं लोकल डेटाबेस में सर्वर से.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही. नेक्स्ट
सर्वर से या सर्वर रिपोजिटरी से,
वो एक ही बात है. सर्वर से आया,
डेटाबेस डेटा से,
भारत से आया, गुजरात से आया, इंडिया से आया, सब एक ही बात है ना. कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ अमेरिका हमारे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में से, हाँ वो अलग बात है, वो सर्वर की रिपोजिटरी में होती है डेफिनेशंस, पर हमारे तो सर्वर से आया ना बस. ठीक है ना. अगला you somewhere here, you know, when you is here, there should be a way to get also. Just get the definition from there. Local paleo. I don't want to check out. एक
Where do you mention this
डॉक्यूमेंट पड़ा है, मुझे सिर्फ उसकी लेटेस्ट कॉपी निकालनी है. चेकआउट तो नहीं करना मेरे को, उसका एडिट नहीं करना. My intention is not to edit and I don't want to work on it. I just want a copy for my reference to read it. Then you do the get, right? You're just copying it from there. So that is get. So you do just one project get. And I'm not sure how to do it in C++, but there should be a way. Okay, right? Get कैसे करते हैं? ये पढ़िए.
Locks the project in the local repository, permits developer to make changes to object definition in that project. So it is as good as locking a project, but locking is also a different function.
मुझे पता नहीं लॉकिंग में और चेकआउट में क्या फर्क है. लिख लो लॉक वर्सेस चेकआउट.
Yeah, use checkout to copy projects from the server to the local repository. Yep. So once you select a project and you select checkout,
I think this locking तो सिर्फ हमारे यहाँ हो रही है, because हमारा सर्वर नहीं है ना. चेक इन चेकआउट इज नॉट देयर सैंपल में.
Okay.
अदरवाइज चेक इन चेकआउट और गेट होता है.
Okay.
चेक इन चेकआउट ज़्यादा फेमस है.
Check
in checkout is consists of 2 locks, one on the server, one on the local. वो automatically वही है lock हमारे in case of server when you're working in a proper environment. हाँ जी.
Use check-in when object definitions in project have been edited and tested. Check-in copies object definitions from local to server. Okay, so once you make the changes, you do check-in.
Yeah.
That is what basically it
Replaces
was.
versions.
So you make changes in the server repository.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to get so checkout is to get something from the server repository, and then you edit it, and then you check in so that your changes go back to the source.
Correct.
And
Does it unlock also, or does it still keep it locked? If you check it in,
I think it should unlock, but let's see.
it unlocks.
Yeah, it unlocks.
Releases locks on both
Locks.
server. ठीक है? ये बढ़िया.
Use check-in to copy projects from local. Yeah.
Next. ये बढ़िया.
Use project references to view details of changes made to checked out projects prior to checking them in. Made to checked out to view details of changes prior to checking them in. Okay. So where do you see the project differences here?
Invoke using diff button in check-in window.
Project
It should
and
be
main.
somewhere here. Let's say you check out, then it says in tools, get strings. When you check in, हम तो कर ही ना पा रहे, but when I think you'll get the check-in, then I think होगा कुछ ना कुछ. जब इसके बाद आएगा.
Before you check,
Before
before you check in,
before I check in, I click on check in.
You-
Then before it actually happens, then first step will be it will let you see the project windows or something. I don't know how to see the project difference. Right, project difference कैसे देखने हैं? ठीक है, right. Canceling checkout. पढ़ो.
you cancel the checkout, right? Okay.
मतलब क्या इसका?
From server again, replaces modified object definitions in local repository with original version from the server repository. Repeating checkout is permitted for person who last checked out project.
Yeah.
It's permitted for person who last checked out project. The check-in project to unlock project on both local and server. Yeah, we know the check-in. Then check-in. Okay.
जब करेंगे आपके डे एंड का पार्ट रहेंगे. डे
Yeah, definitely.
Undo checkout. Good thing. आपने कुछ चेकआउट कर लिया, काम कर रहे हो, आपको लगता है कोई बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई यार. अरे यार, undo कर दो सारा कुछ, जो वापस सर्वर से वापस नई कॉपी आ जाएगी फिर. ठीक है, यही मतलब है ना.
एक बार चेकआउट चेक इन का एग्जैक्ट मतलब वो करता क्या है, ये कमांड तो ये फंक्शन समझ में आ जाए तो
समझ में क्या रहेगा?
अंडू तो सब
हाँ,
सब
ये तो
दिमाग में आ जाता
चेकिंग का मतलब क्या है? वैसे तो आपने किए होगा ना सारा.
हाँ,
लॉकिंग प्रोजेक्ट
समझ में आ जाए मतलब आ चुका, कुछ है नहीं. कुछ फंडा बड़ा नहीं है, सिंपल है.
ठीक है.
ये है ना लॉकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स, यू कैन डायरेक्टली लॉक एंड अनलॉक प्रोजेक्ट्स इन द करंट रिपोजिटरी.
क्यों करेंगे मुझे नहीं लगा.
करंट रिपोजिटरी ओनली.
हाँ वो ठीक है.
जैसे इफ यू चेक आउट,
तो करंट रिपोजिटरी एक ही होती है यार.
नहीं वो तो लोकल और सर्वर है ना.
हाँ तो
चेकआउट में तो सर्वर बेस पे सर्वर से
लोकल से करते हैं और सर्वर से आती है, बट फिर भी
हाँ.
वो क्यों करते हैं ना. फंडा तो ये है ना, क्यों
क्यों करते हैं उनको
सिचुएशन क्या रहती है?
लोकल पे ही कहा. अच्छा वो भी है
सिचुएशन क्या रहती है?
वो भी बिजनेस एनालिसिस
नहीं,
सिनेरियो.
उसके मेरा मतलब ये है ना, रट्टेबाजी होगी ना कि फंडा क्या है भाई. फंडा तो ये है ना, ऐसे जाके कुछ भी उसका लॉग भी उसने बना दिया, चेक इन चेकआउट भी बना दिया उसने, एक और बना दिया, होल्ड भी बना दिया. उनका मीनिंग क्या है, फर्क क्या है, क्यों करते हैं उसको? व्हाई 3 फंक्शंस आर गिवन? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? चेक इन चेकआउट और गेट में बड़ा फर्क है.
Yeah.
Right? Locking projects locally.
Yeah, we will. Yes, without preventing developers from checking out the project, intending to discard your work. Allows developer to make and test modifications locally. Prevents developer from checking them into a server repository. Yeah, so there can be some situation where you don't want to
Just lock
make
it on
the
the
changes on the server repository, but just the local.
करेंगे तो पता चलेगा ये सब चीजें. तो करने वाली चीजें, बैठोगे उसी एनवायरनमेंट में डेली यही करना है यार, ऐसा करता हूँ लोकल लॉक मार लेता हूँ. तो यही भी आपका फर्क पड़ेगा। जिससे आप ले रहे हो ना सपोर्ट, वो आपको बोलेगा कि यार तू इसको ऐसा कर, ऐसे कर ले, लोकल कर ले। अब आपको पता है फंडा तो आप कर लोगे। वो कहेगा अच्छा ये स्टेप बता दीजिए, ऐसा करो, सर्वर पे लॉगिन करो, वहां जाके क्लिक कर दो इसको, बस डन। एंड देन यू विल थिंक हाँ रे हाँ मैंने ये चेकआउट नहीं किया है, ये मैंने सिर्फ ये लॉक किया है, ऐसे पता चल जाएगा आपको।
Yeah. एग्जैक्टली इसी वजह से हम इसमें चेक इन चेकआउट नहीं कर पाए।
ठीक है,
Locking projects on the server uses check out and check in. Check out basically. Right? Locking projects on the server prevents developer from undoing. We already read this.
see ये 30 पढ़ो, ये तीसरा।
See was that developers never directly lock projects on the server
They should do it through check-in check-out process.
through check in check out.
Which makes sense now.
Yes.
It is given there as a power, which is but not very useful. It's in some extremely remote circumstances. Typically, they just check in, check out. That
Yep.
means, right?
Yep.
चौथा पढ़ो।
Always use checkout and modify the object definitions.
ठीक है।
Locally. Yep.
ठीक है, चेकआउट चेक इन सही से पढ़ा हमने।
Yep.
Done.